To get started with the Bill.com API SDK, begin by registering for a developer account on the Bill.com website. This will provide you with the necessary API keys and access to the sandbox environment for testing. Once registered, download the API SDK for your preferred programming language, such as Java, Python, or C#. Next, set up your development environment by installing the required dependencies and libraries. For example, if using Python, install the Bill.com API SDK using pip. Then, import the library into your project and initialize the API client with your API keys. When making API calls, use the sandbox environment for testing and development. This environment allows you to test your code without affecting live data. To switch to the live environment, simply update the API endpoint URL. One key concept to understand is authentication. The Bill.com API uses OAuth 2.0 for authentication, which requires you to obtain an access token before making API calls. You can obtain an access token by calling the authenticate method and passing in your API keys. When working with the Bill.com API, it's essential to handle errors and exceptions properly. Use try-catch blocks to catch any exceptions that occur during API calls, and log the error messages for debugging purposes. Best practices for using the Bill.com API include caching frequently accessed data, implementing retry logic for failed API calls, and using webhooks for real-time notifications. Additionally, ensure that your API calls are properly formatted and validated to avoid errors. For example, when creating a new bill, use the create bill endpoint and pass in the required parameters, such as the vendor, invoice date, and amount. You can also use the API to attach documents, such as invoices and receipts, to the bill. In terms of security, ensure that your API keys are kept secure and never hard-coded into your application. Use environment variables or a secure storage mechanism to store your API keys. By following these tips and best practices, you can effectively use the Bill.com API SDK to automate your accounting workflows and integrate Bill.com with your custom applications. Remember to consult the official Bill.com API documentation for detailed information on API endpoints, parameters, and error handling. With practice and experience, you'll become proficient in using the Bill.com API SDK to streamline your accounting processes.